Hello there, it's Alan McGillivray from Alan McGillivray Real Estate Surfers Paradise. Well, again, I keep telling you the weather's so great up here, it's great, and all the people are enjoying. Of course, it's getting towards the school holidays finishing, and the people will be going back to the schools here in Queensland, and also the holidays from Melbourne will be heading back because of their school. But anyway, they're all enjoying the weather. It's great. They're enjoying the beach and theme parks and of course the restaurants, and they're all having a wonderful time. And why wouldn't you have a wonderful time up here? And of course it's just recently you can now from Surfers Paradise get on the tram, and of course you can go to Helensvale, so that's great. And they're developing more of that tram situation where you more than likely go down to the airport. So all's happening up here. As I said, the prices here are still very low compared to interstate, so people in Sydney and Melbourne can sell down there, come up here and buy and have money over. So what better than that? Anyway, don't forget, if you're thinking of buying a property or selling a property, please contact ourselves. Our webpage is www.alanmcgillivray.com.au, or you can phone us. And don't forget, of course, if you're up here, call in and say hello. We'd love to see you.